Introduction. Noise pollution is an often overlooked environmental issue that affects the quality of life in urban and rural areas alike. It refers to the excessive or harmful levels of noise in the environment, primarily resulting from human activities. This essay explores the cause of noise pollution, its effect on health and well-being, and possible solutions to reduce its impact. Causes of noise pollution. Noise pollution originates from various sources, with transportation being one of the primary contributors. Vehicles, airplanes, and trains generate significant noise levels that can disrupt daily life. Construction activities such as drilling, hammering, and heavy machinery also contribute to the clamor in urban areas. Industrial activities, including manufacturing processes, can produce constant and loud sounds, further adding to the noise levels. Additionally, social activities like loud music, parties, and public events can create temporary spikes in noise pollution. Effects on health and well-being. The impact of noise pollution on human health is significant and concerning. Prolonged exposure to high noise levels can lead to various physical and psychological problems. One of the most common issues is hearing loss, which can result from exposure to loud sounds over time. Moreover, noise pollution can cause stress, anxiety, and sleep disturbance, leading to fatigue and reduced productivity. Research has shown that excessive noise can increase blood pressure and heart rate, contributing to cardiovascular disease. Children and elderly individuals are particularly vulnerable to the effect of noise pollution, as it can hinder their development and exacerbate existing health conditions. Solutions to reduce noise pollution. Addressing noise pollution requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, and governments. One effective solution is implementing stricter regulations on noise levels in urban planning and construction activities. Incorporating noise barriers, soundproof materials, and better insulation in buildings can help reduce the impact of external noise. Promoting public awareness about the consequences of noise pollution is crucial. Educating individuals about the importance of maintaining a quieter environment and encouraging them to be mindful of their noise levels can lead to positive changes in behavior. Additionally, encouraging the use of public transportation and developing green spaces can help reduce noise pollution in cities. Conclusions. Noise pollution is a pressing environmental concern that poses significant risks to human health and well-being. By understanding its causes and effects, we can take proactive steps to mitigate its impact. Implementing effective solutions and raising awareness about the importance of a quieter environment can contribute to a healthier, more peaceful society. As we strive to improve our living conditions, addressing noise pollution should be a priority, ensuring a better quality of life for all individuals. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.